Hey, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and today we'll be going over the suitcase carry. The suitcase carry is a super fun way to, number one, work on your bone density while you also stabilize your spine and core. So it's good for people with spinal issues, people looking to strengthen their core, people looking to improve their balance, and then lastly, like I said, people that are wanting to deal with bone density and stay away from osteoporosis and that sort of thing. What you want to do with the suitcase carry is basically just pick up a weight. So for this example, this is a kettlebell, but you can use a dumbbell, you could use a heavy bag, you could use your groceries. And so I'm just going to hold it at my side as I walk. Now, when I hold a weight on one side of my body versus two sides of my body, what's going to happen is that weight naturally pulls me to the side. So I have to engage my core and my stabilizers on the other side naturally, reflexively, without even thinking about it. Otherwise, I'll fall down. So what you do with this suitcase carry is basically you just walk and you stay even with your shoulders and your hips. In this example, I'll walk away from you and you want to stay neutral and balanced and do about 30 seconds for each rep. As you get comfortable, say this is a 10-pound weight, and you say, oh, that was very easy. Okay, great, we're ready to progress. Now we'll go up to a 20-pound weight. Again, you stay level with your shoulders and your hips, and you walk, and you stay upright and tall for 30 seconds. Now this is something you can actually get to a much more advanced level and really challenge yourself, which I do recommend doing. This is a 50-pound weight. So at this point, I really have to focus and engage my core stabilizers of my whole body not to fall down. So I'm actually going to raise my opposite arm because it helps to counterbalance me, and I walk. You're going to notice that the heavier it gets, the more your body wants to kind of tilt and do all sorts of stuff with your shoulders, but you're not going to let that happen. You stay nice and neutral as you walk. That's the suitcase carry. That's going to help with spinal stability, balance, and bone density. Give it a shot.